Hey, what's up? I'm Ijemma, and today I'm extremely excited to announce that I'm releasing Nkọwa, okwu, which is a free-to-use Igbo English dictionary web app. This dictionary app allows users to learn Igbo words through English definitions, dialects, and helpful Igbo and English sentence examples. Most Igbo people can relate to probably one of the most frustrating things about learning Igbo is the minimal resources available online that are easy to use, easy to understand, and aren't ad-written. Nkọwa, okwu attempts to address all these concerns by providing a clean and minimalistic design to make it extremely easy to learn Igbo words. One of my personal favorite features of the platform is that it can detect whether or not you're searching with an Igbo word or an English word, and it will pull up all corresponding results. If you want to see more details concerning a given word, like its examples, its spelling variations, and more, you can click on its details link. Another great thing about Nkọwa, okwu is that it allows the community to contribute back to it. If you notice a word is missing, or if you want to add a word in your own dialect, or if you want to add an example sentence that's in Igbo and English, the platform allows you to do all of that. For every word, dialect, or example you want to add or update to the dictionary, you'll need to fill out and submit a suggestion form that will be later reviewed by our editors. And to keep you in the loop of where your submission went, whether it got approved or denied, you can track the status of it by heading over to your profile page to see all the suggestions that you've sent in for review. You also get email updates to let you know whether your suggestions got denied, where you need to go back and make some revisions, or approved, meaning that it got merged into our dictionary. On top of all of that, if you want to save words for later reference, we support the functionality of starring words that you can see in your profile page again. This is great if you want to create a flashcard deck of words for review or practice. Igbo is such a robust language with dozens of distinct dialects, and we want to capture the breadth of the language. So Nkọwa, okwu currently supports 17 dialects that the community can contribute to. But what if you don't see your own dialect as an option? Well, there's no worries. You can always send us an email at igboapi@gmail.com to request your dialect be added to the platform. Even though I've been working on this project for the past couple of months, the project for where it is at right now would have been literally impossible without the team that we've managed to grow. We've amassed a team that consists of software engineers, linguists, researchers, data scientists, and translators that all help make this project what it is right now. So I'm beyond excited to have every single one of these great people on board. So where do we go from here? If you haven't already, first of all, go to Nkọwa, okwu, create an account, and start interacting with the platform. I truly believe this dictionary app can go way beyond just a dictionary app, but it can only go that far if the Igbo community truly uses it and interacts with it. And what I mean by interacting, I mean search words. If you notice a word is missing, suggest adding a new word. If you want to add an example, add your own dialect, do all of that. If you even notice a mistake or a typo, you can always send us an email or send us DMs so we can always be up to date with what's going on with the platform. Also, if you want to get involved beyond words and examples, we have a volunteer page. We have extra roles like UI, UX designers, or even translators, or more. So if you want to get more involved, we have roles for you. So with all of that, I want to say thank you so much. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the platform.